DSS finally grants Nnamdi Kanu's family and his lawyer access to him after pressure. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this another week of hearings this morning. I don't really know why the DSS do what they do, but finally, the DSS has granted Nnamdi Kanu and his family, Nnamdi Kanu's family and his lawyers access to see him after so much pressure. Well, the Department of State Services (DSS) on Friday finally granted access to the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB) Nnamdi Kanu, following mounting pressures from his family and legal team. Kanu's led lawyer Aloy Ejimakor had earlier raised the alarm that both his legal representative and family members were denied access to him at the DSS headquarters in Abuja. However, Prince Emmanuel Kanu, the IPOB leader younger brother, confirmed that after the visit that they were finally allowed to see him. Speaking to Vanguard, Prince Kanu urged the DSS to respect the court orders permitting Kanu's lawyer and family members to visit twice a week, stressing that denying access to him damages Nigeria's image. He further said that Kanu is not Nigeria's problem but rather part of the solution, urging the federal government to compel the DSS to comply with legal directive regarding his brother's detention. And that was what I was said here concerning this headline today this morning, which says here that DSS grants Nnamdi Kanu's family and his lawyer access after pressure. And well, of course, yes, of course, you heard it from me this morning. And if you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here right now is to tap that subscribe button, read the notification bell, so that anytime we have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it ASAP. DSS has finally granted Nnamdi Kanu and his family access to see him after so much pressure. I don't know why the DSS just do what they do. People say that yes, they're politically motivated. People are telling the DSS what to do. The federal government are telling the DSS what to do. I mean, to me, I see it as reality here. You see, this so-called group called the Department of State Services, they are being run by the federal government. And is there anything the federal government wants that these people do? I'm telling you, if it is anything they want that they do, don't think that these DSS are calm or maybe they are free and fair, or I don't just understand what you got. These people are demons. Yes, they say these so-called DSS, they are like demons. They are like demons because come to think about it. Let's slow down a bit. Back in 2023, the DSS did not allow the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu. They were just letting the lawyers say, no, you can't see him today. You can't. The lawyers were like, why are we not going to see Nnamdi Kanu? Yes, why are we not going to see Nnamdi Kanu? Then Aloy Ejimakor, being the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu's case, took the matter to court. And the court ordered that the DSS should stop that and they should allow the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu. Fine, that was just part one. They did allow the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu. The second, it happened again back in ending 2023. They did the same thing. Aloy Ejimakor went to court. The DSS later allowed them to see the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu. You now got to notice that the DSS are putting eavesdropping mechanism in him and the lawyers' conversation, meaning that they will put in the room with cameras. They will put the room where they want to meet with camera. They will put it with eavesdropping spy machine so that they can hear what the lawyer Nnamdi Kanu is saying. Like, it was so annoying that how do you want Nnamdi Kanu to get a fair trial when you are listening to our conversation? Or how do you want me to get, Nnamdi Kanu was saying that, how do you want me to get a fair trial when I'm not even receiving privacy? Yes, and the court then ordered the DSS that they stop that. If they do that again, they can collect severe punishment. They should stop it. They must give them the privacy that they want. They allowed the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu again. It happened again for the third time in that August period of 2024. Yes, this is the third time I'm telling you about it. After so much going to court, Aloy Ejimakor, the court then ordered, no, the court called the DSS boss, the chairman of the DSS, told him that what is the reason of keeping these lawyers away from seeing Nnamdi Kanu. And guess what the DSS said? They said that because of the case has not started now, there was no need letting the lawyers see Nnamdi Kanu. That was just a stupid excuse. Aloy Ejimakor said that this is just rubbish talk. You don't have any excuse. Then after that, the court said that if the DSS can do it again, they will sack the DSS boss. Now we think called Toko that back in, if you can remember, in 2024. And now they did not allow the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu again. Yes. In 2020, this is 2025 now. The DSS did not allow the lawyers to see Nnamdi Kanu. Like, for reason unknown, they asked the DSS why, they could not answer. So after so much pressure that Nnamdi Kanu said that out, if he takes the matter to the court, you guys have suffer for it. After so much pressure, the DSS has finally allowed them to see Nnamdi Kanu. I mean, this is just pure madness. Or the DSS is just performing, saying that they have strength. They are performing madness, and they think they have strength, or they think, to me, I don't really think that the DSS are just doing it on their own command, because I know that if they have to take things legally, they wouldn't be doing this. I mean, I feel that the federal government are the one telling the DSS what to do and how to do this, their shenanigans. Yes, I see it like that. Well, the Department of State Services (DSS) has granted the access of the lawyers and his family to see Nnamdi Kanu after so much pressure from his family and the legal team. Yes, after so much pressure. Well, Kanu's led counsel Aloy Ejimakor earlier raised the alarm that both the legal representative and family member were denied access to him at the DSS headquarters in Abuja, and Prince Emmanuel Kanu is Nnamdi Kanu's younger brother, confirmed after the visit that they were finally allowed to see him. He said all this to Vanguard News, saying that my brother is being detained illegally. Yes, illegally. And the DSS have to respect court orders permitting Kanu's lawyer and his family members to visit him twice a week, saying that denying the access to him damages Nigeria's image, which of course is true. I mean, which of course is true. People are asking that how can they be free? How can they be free and fair trial in a country that that the people that are supposed to be enforcing the law are the ones breaking the law? I mean, the DSS are meant to be enforcing the law, but now they are the one breaking the law. So tell me how. Tell me how they want to be law and order in a country like this. Just tell me how. Where courts are supposed to be doing the right thing are the ones bending the law. So tell me, I mean, Nnamdi Kanu's case is something that is so wild, and I'm not really sure that Nnamdi Kanu can even get a better trial and a free trial coming in this Nigeria. I'm telling you the fact. I'm just saying it because the way things look like this here. Under the comment section, let me just see what one or two people says here. Aliwo Uharura said that we are not after terrorist leaders, I beg. Okay, you're calling Nnamdi Kanu terrorist. I mean, some people have not just learned their lesson. After how many times they said Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist? How many times did this Northerners listen? What do you guys think? What do you guys think concerning the issue of Nnamdi Kanu and DSS? Believe me, if you ask me, I'll just say that the DSS should better just respect themselves if they don't want to be sanctioned again by the Federal High Court. Drop your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button, yes, bigger on with the notification bell so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.